Hi everyone! It's a beautiful day, so I'm outside here with Trevor, and we are going to try to make a parachute person. So I have my materials here. I have some plastic bags.
I had a string.
Well, yep, Trevor's playing with the string. We're going to need string, and we're going to use the string to tie. We have a bunch of little Lego people here, so we're going to tie them onto our plastic parachute and see if the parachute will fill with air and move more slowly to the ground. Let's give it a try. So first, I'm going to cut my bag into a big square.
Are you gonna cut the string? Are you gonna cut the string or the here?
I am going to cut the string in a little bit. First, I'm going to cut off the handles. Okay. Now, this is the first time I'm experimenting with this. So, as we know, sometimes when you're doing an experiment, it works out the way you expected. And sometimes you find out that you made a mistake and you need to try again. So we're going to try it this way first, and then I have some other ideas in case this way does not work. But I'm going to start with a big square. Oh, it's from Wegmans. And now, all right, Trev, I need some string.
That's mine.
Okay, let's see. How long do we want it? Seems pretty good. I'm going to make 4 pieces of string to attach to the 4 corners of the bag. And I want them to be even.
I'm gonna walk around.
Okay. You going for a walk? Oops, it's a little windy out here today. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 strings here. Let's tie them to the corners of my bag. I'm just going to tie my bag and my string together like this.
Warm up your body.
Warm up your body. It's nice out here in the sun, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. I like this one.
There we go. And then it slipped a little bit, so I'm going to tie the string to itself one time too. There we go. Nice and secure. Now I'll do the same thing with the other 4 corners. Okay, so I have string tied to all 4 corners. Now I'm going to attach one of our Lego people, and you can try also with any different characters or toys or animals or maybe a car you have at home and see what happens.
And Lego people is a little bit scary.
That Lego person's a little bit scary?
Yeah, but you know, on its head, it doesn't have eyes or a snout.
What?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, look.
Whoa.
So
So I take all 4 ends. I'm going to lift this guy's arms up and just tie this around his waist. You could also probably tape it on.
Ow.
You know, you can experiment with different ways of attaching. I'm just going to tie them all together around him.
No, look, it's blowing.
Oh, my parachute is already catching the wind on this windy day. So hopefully it will be strong enough to hold up our Lego man and get him down to the ground safely. Yeah, look at how the wind is catching that. Oh, and now the wind has stopped. All right, Trevor is going to demonstrate how the parachute works. This is our test run. Ready, Trev?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go! Yes, it caught the wind. And because it's windy out here today, it actually took it a little bit to the side. Go ahead, give it another try. Throw it up really high. Cool. Here, let's try it another way. Okay, so this time, let me show you a little close. We actually wrapped up the man in the parachute so everything's closed up when we start, and then we're gonna see if it opens when the wind catches it. Go ahead, Trev. Oh, that did not work. That's science. Now, one way we can experiment in science is by changing the variables. So that means changing little parts of what we're doing. Now, in the first experiment, we used a Lego person, and we know Lego people are quite small and very light. I made a second parachute, and this time I picked a toy that's a little bit bigger. Yes, that's right, it's Zuma from the Paw Patrol. It's a little bit bigger and a little bit heavier. Let's see if my parachute is strong enough to carry Zuma. I'm gonna tie Zuma on here. Oops, sorry, Zuma. I also made the strings a little bit longer this time. That wasn't necessarily on purpose, it's just the way it worked out. I felt like I didn't quite have enough string to tie with the first time, and I knew Zuma was bigger, so I wanted to make sure
Mama,
I had a little extra string.
Mama.
Let's go see if our parachute can carry Zuma. Ready, set, go! It didn't quite work as well with Zuma as it did with the Lego person. Let's try one more time. Yeah, we got a little bit. We're going to change another part of the experiment. That's okay. Okay, so this time we're going to launch our parachutes for a little bit higher up. That way they'll have a little more time to open up before they get to the ground. Now, if you have some sort of playground, climber, swing set, jungle gym in your backyard, you can climb up on that. We have this gazebo here, so we're using the bench. Ready, Trev? Go! Whoa, that Lego guy really flew. Orange for Zuma. And now we're gonna test Zuma from up high. Go ahead, Trev, let's see what happens.
Whoa.
Whoa! Misfire. Let's try that again. All right, we're ready. And launch. Oh, when Zuma was up a little bit higher, the parachute had more time to catch some wind. That actually was very helpful for Zuma. There goes Lego guy again.
I got it. It's okay. I'll get
So
it.
much fun. We could just keep throwing these all day. Oh no!
Oh, good save.
All right, friends, you can give this a try at home. Let us know in the comments if you changed any variables and what the results were. We'll see you soon.